Hello everyone. Welcome to my school video tour. My name is Muhammad Joan, and today we will show you some interesting rooms in our school. Let's start our tour. Main Part 1. Chess Room. This is our chess room. We come here to play chess and train our brains. Sometimes we have small competitions. I really like this room because it is quiet and relaxing. 2. Physics Lab. This is our physics lab. Here we do experiments with light, magnets, and electricity. I enjoy this subject because it helps me understand how the world works. 3. Chemistry Lab. This is the chemistry lab. We mix different liquids and see chemical reactions. Our teacher always tells us to be careful and wear gloves. It is very interesting. 4. Biology Lab. Welcome to the biology lab. We study plants, animals, and the human body here. There are many microscopes and biology models. I love looking at cells through the microscope. 5. IT Room. Finally, this is our IT room. We learn how to use computers and write simple programs. I think this is one of the most useful subjects for the future. That's the end of my school tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and welcome to my school anytime.